Here we are on one of our Carver manufacturing lines. This particular line builds our 34 through our 43-foot Carver yachts today. The manufacturing line now is where the assembly process truly starts. So all of the support shops that we visited earlier today, where they make components for the boats, all come together here in a timed sequence as they're needed on the manufacturing line. And the craftsmen and women here take those components, install them in the boat, do all the fit and finish on all the different parts inside of here. Then we do full electrical and mechanical tests here in the manufacturing line. Then we also do 2 cosmetic checks here. Once the boats are fully completed here and have their cosmetic inspections done, then we'll send them off to our test facility here, which is also on our shipyard. We'll put them in the water and then we'll do it all over again. We'll do another round of electrical, mechanical checks, and also cosmetic inspections here. Each boat is built individually per order. Every boat's got its own unique hull number to it. Has all different options included on them. And also any customer's special requests that they do on the boat to individually make the boats their own. And here we are on the C-52 manufacturing line. This particular line, we build both the C-52 flybridge and the C-52 coupe. So after all the components are finished at the various different manufacturing areas here, they all come together timed with when they're needed on the manufacturing line. So the men and women here will install all the different parts inside the boat. They'll install the cabinetry, the electrical systems, the plumbing, all the interior fabrics, the carpet, all the different things that come together to make the boat. They'll get everyone done here in time per our manufacturing schedule, per the customer's orders. Once the boats are finished assembled, then we'll do an electrical and a mechanical test here while the boat is still in the line. And then we'll also do a cosmetic inspection before and after the testing to make sure that nothing got compromised. Once the cosmetic inspections are completed, then the boat will leave from here and it will go to our in-water test facility where we'll do the tests all over again.